Why choose Propow lithium-ion phosphate forklift batteries? 8 reasons to tell you why. First, it takes 2 hours to fully charge, so you can make full use of coffee breaks and lunch breaks to recharge. Even if you schedule a 3-shift operation, you can still ensure the use of power, make your work more efficient. Second, zero maintenance. You no longer need to acid check and water your batteries. Number 3, provides audible buzzer alert and visual light warming. Make your work more chill. Number 4, designed fighter jack level battery solution can be applied to any high-power forklift. Number 5, worry-free after sales. Our BMS adopts the highest level of production standard and have a very low defect rate. Even if a problem occurs, you can be resolved within 20 minutes. Number 6, longer life. Compared with lead acid, you can save 70% of cost within 5 years. Number 7, built-in fire extinguisher, providing double protection for your battery safety. Number 8, there is a cloud-based platform to monitor your battery. What are you waiting for? Here is the most cost-effective forklift battery solution on the market. Submit inquiry.